Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Whatnot app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, Whatnot here has completely taken over the online resale space here, essentially acting like a high energy, modern day QVC mixed with the hype of eBay. Now, according to Whatnot's official platform information or their website here, the app is a live stream marketplace where verified sellers showcase, auction, or instantly sell products across over 250 categories. Now, while it started heavily rooted in collectibles like Pokemon cards, sports memorabilia, and comic books, it has rapidly expanded into sneakers, vintage fashion, and estate jewelry, and electronics. Now, the app's signature feature is the real-time live auction. So sellers hold an item up the camera here and set a starting price and kick off a fast-paced bidding war where users can instantly bid by swiping a button on their screen. Now, if you don't want to go live, the website highlights that you can also list items 24/7 in a traditional buy it now marketplace store. Now, when you dive into what people are actually saying right now regarding the actual platform or the app, well, the pros are overwhelmingly about how incredible the fun and addictive the community atmosphere is. Buyers give it a 5 star for capturing the exact thrill of an in-person flea market or card show right from their couch. Now, the live nature of the stream means you get to see the exact conditions of an item from every angle on camera before you spend a dime. Now, eliminating the worry of heavily edited stock photos, sellers heavily phrase the platform on other or review platforms because it allows them to clear out massive amounts of inventory in a single evening. And they love the Whatnot here automatically generates prepaid shipping labels the second an auction actually closes. Now, there are some downsides here that about some complaints. Now, some highlights here, a few consistent frustrations. So for buyers, the swipe to bid mechanic is a bit point of contention because a single accidental swipe instantly commits you to a legally binding purchase. Several reviews note that accidentally bought expensive items just by mishandling their phone. There are also frequent complaints on trust on these platforms here regarding inconsistent seller behavior, with some buyers knowing that a few chaotic hosts yell or aggressively pressure the chat for 5 star reviews. Now, additionally, some reviews feedbacks here point out that because the app processes your payment immediately for every single individual item, you win in a stream rather than bundling them at the end. So it can occasionally trigger automated fraud alerts or daily transaction limits with your bank. Now, ultimately, if you love the trail of live auction here, want to track down rare collectibles, or a seller here looking to move inventory fast over the overwhelming consensus across the app stores is that Whatnot's high energy community makes it absolutely worth downloading or even trying at first. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.